Assalamualaikum. In this video, we are going to share about hydraulic feature in the automotive industry. So my name is Fadzreen binti MD.AWAI and my team member NURATASYA ADILA, Muhammad ASYRAF and Muhammad MURSYID. So fluid power control system means the use of fluid under pressure to generate, control and transmit power. Fluid power is classified as hydraulic, which is use liquid such as mineral oil or water, and pneumatic, which is use gas such as air or gases. And then hydraulic. Hydraulics means the use of pressure to generate, regulate and transmit power. It is a type of technology and applies science that deals with mechanical characteristic and the utilization of liquid. Hydraulic system like pneumatic system require a pump and employ valve to regulate the force and velocity of the actuators. Hydraulic application in industry, pressure ranging from 100 to 500 psi with pressure exceeding 10,000 psi used for specialized applications. And then industry that use hydraulic, the first one is automotive industry. One of the largest user of hydraulic in the world. Not only hydraulic used to manufacture cars in factory around the world, but cars themselves utilize hydraulic pumps, hydraulic brakes, and even hydraulic motor. And then the second one is landscaping industry. Another big user of hydraulic machinery equipment such as skid steer used to move gravel, dirt, and others. And then the third one is construction industry. There are backhoe and excavator that all utilize hydraulic power to make massive jobs seems almost trivial. And then entertainment industry. Entertainment industry used throughout many different aspects of the entertainment industry, which is concert, musician use hydraulic platform into the stage or movie sets. And then aerospace industry. Takeoff and landing gear are example of hydraulic equipment. The last one is personal fitness industry, such as gym, which is change the one gym machine work out on use hydraulic cylinder to increase resistance. I will pass my presentation to ADILA.
Okay, I will explain about automotive and automobile. So both the phrase automobile and automotive are associated with the vehicle industry. So automobile is normally refers to four-wheel passengers, and automotive is an adjective refer to motor vehicle. So this is the main difference between automobile and automotive. So automobile is a four-wheel motor vehicle built for passenger transportation, and the name of automobile is derived from the French word automobile. So automotive is refer to vehicle, and then it can be used to a variety of attribute of automobile. So next is automotive industry. So automotive industry is comprised a wide range of companies and organizations. It is involved in the design, development, manufacturing, marketing and selling of motor vehicle. It is the world's largest industry by revenue. Manually, it is assembled by a human worker, and it is used in the early days of automobile manufacture. So then is next is hydraulic vehicle. Okay. Okay, so the vehicle when it pump in its structure, so it move a liquid from a fluid container to a hollow cylinder, and hydraulic lift may move vehicle upward. So with a descent car lift, the technician can simply bring the automobile up to the necessary height, and this lifting height may be modified to meet the needs. So automobile lift are commonly used in garage to increase parking space and make car maintenance and service easier. So next is the type of hydraulic vehicle. So there are 5 types of hydraulic vehicle lift. So firstly is 4-post lift. So the 4-post lift contain 4 posts at each corner and a ramp-like elevating platform connecting. This post can help the vehicle get on. So 4-post lift with different lifting capacities and base area dimension are available in the market. So user can select the required lift by considering the specification. So the powerful locking system used will help to position the vehicle in the required height and prevent accident. So next is 2-post lift. 2-post lift are suitable for small vehicle consist of 2 posts with arm jutting out in a triangular shape. So this type of lift is suitable for small garage and they are less expensive than other categories. Okay, next is scissor lift. So the scissor lift contains two superimposed platform and it is suitable for small space. So retractable lever that extend in a zigzag manners are placed. So between this platform, portable scissor lift that are movable and fixed scissor lift that are attached to the base are available. So next is in-ground auto lift. In-ground auto lift are designed to maximize the space. So a hydraulic lift mechanism placed underground is used. It can operate with a switch connected to the elevator. So most of the largest automotive repair shop use in-ground lift that are hidden under a shop floor when it not used. So lastly is alignment lift. So alignment lift are especially designed for handling wheel. Its alignment works and its appearance looks similar to a 4-post lift. So there are alignment lift with a different lifting capacity that is suitable for small cars to large automobile. So next I will pass to Muhammad Ashraf.
Hello, my name is Muhammad TARMIZY. Okay, now I will explain about the hydraulic power steering system. Hydraulic power steering system can reduce steering effort by using pressurized power steering fluid provided by the power steering pump. An engine driven accessory drive or serpentine belt activate the pump and direct high pressure power steering fluid to the input side of the power steering gear control valve through the high pressure hose. When moving the front wheels, high pressure acting on the control valve acts to the driver. A receiver holds the power steering fluid. When the fluid returns from the steering gear at a significant lower pressure, the receiver fluid level is maintained. Hydraulic power system continually pump fluid and affected by engine speed. High revolution per minute equal high pressure output, whereas low revolution per minute and low pressure output. Next, Dila. Okay, now we move to the common power steering issue. First, the issue is power steering fluid leak. The power steering system is completely dependent on the hydraulic fluid. It will have it will have trouble if there isn't enough fluid or if the fluid is contaminated. A power steering fluid leak is a typical problem with the power steering system. This can happen at any point along the component chain. The cylinder of the brake and pinion unit can fracture or leak from the cylinder itself. The second issue is contaminated power steering fluid. In comparison, for example, like car engine, oil power steering fluid also needs stay reasonably clean over time. This process isn't as messy as the burning of gasoline in the engine or the system that use more fluid. Next is power steering back failure. Power steering rack failure. The power steering rack is in a lot of way the heart of power steering system. If the power steering rack fails, it is considerably more dangerous than many of the other previously state faults, since it may endanger the ability to control the vehicle at all. And the last common issue is problem with the power steering pump. The power steering pump is driven by the engine of the vehicle. A bed connects the crankshaft to the power steering pump, and that bed can weigh down, fracture, and finally break over the time. Power steering will not work if the power steering bell breaks. Inspecting the bell for sign of wear and determining if it needs to be replaced should be part of a car normal maintenance. Next. I will explain about hydraulic braking system. The following by friction in the braking mechanism, the brake system turns the vehicle motion energy into heat energy, allowing the vehicle to slow down or stop. The hydraulic brake system is based on the logic of using hydraulic fluid in the brake system. It is increasing the force generated in the brake pedal using the Pascal principle and transmitting it to the wheel cylinder. It also converting the small pushing force created by the driver foot on the brake pedal into a friction force, so that can easily stop the vehicle with the pads. Next, okay, as we know, brake system part and their function. Okay, first is brake pedal. Brake pedal, it is braking dosage and pushing force in the hydraulic brake system are produced by the driver using the brake pedal. Next, brake main cylinder. Brake main cylinder convert the thrust power from the brake booster into hydraulic pressure in the brake main cylinder. Next, the third one is brake fuel box receiver. The brake fluid hydraulic box is a single item that is located just above the brake main cylinder. It is inside brake hydraulic oil escape, and the oil required by the braking system is drawn from here. The fourth is brake servo hydrovac, disc brake mechanism, and drum brake mechanism. I will pass the next presentation to the Muhammad Anas. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hushid, and now I want to explain about benefit hydraulic braking system. Number one, provide quick braking. Provide quick braking is an important safety component in a car. The reaction from the brake pedal to the end braking must be extremely rapid. Number two, brake force very high. Brake force very high generated by hydraulic braking system is very high as compared to the mechanical braking, which a very important factor for today super and hyper series of vertical. Number three, has very less moving part, which is very reduced to the optimum level, which the introduction of the hydraulic braking system, which has very less moving part as compared to the mechanical one. Number 4, brake fuels is very less. Brake fuels change in case of hydraulic braking system is very less as compared to the mechanical system due to the direct connection between the exterior brake pedal or level and the brake disc or drum. Number 4, NO5 simple and easily assembled design. Mechanical braking has a high design complexity which has been decreased by the development of the hydraulic braking system, which has a simple and easily assembled design. Number 6, less maintenance required. The mechanical braking system required a high level for maintenance due to the involvement of the complexity and large number of members. Next slide. Now I want to explain about hydraulic suspension system. The hydraulic suspension system is comprised of a hydraulic liquid that is a kind of oil that is placed inside of the tube and then attached to the spring. Next slide. Okay, conclusion and recommendation. Number 1, hydraulic equipment is commonly used to lift or move heavy load since it is very affordable but can generate a lot of power. Number 2, hydraulic fuel is necessary for the operation of many mobile and stationary device. Number 3, the careful selection of hydraulic fuel that fulfill the system need is required for successful hydraulic operation. Okay, that's all for my groups. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir.
Thank you, Sa'al.
Thank you, Dr.